Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to toggle ambient sound effects on or off in Slay The Spire. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. From there, go into the game settings window. Here you can toggle on or off the ambient sound effects. To actually hear that, you need to have this turned on. And wait. That was the sound of the wind in the background. That's the ambient sound effect. Yeah, you can change it like that and or leave it turned off. I will actually enable it and hit return. Then hit back and you are ready to play. Thank you for watching and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.